Authentic German Black Forest cake. Subscribe and like for a taste of Germany. Guten Tag. Welcome to our channel, where we're going to indulge in the sweet flavors of Germany. Today, we're thrilled to share with you the secrets of making an authentic German Black Forest cake. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the sweetness of Germany. To create this delectable German Black Forest cake, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the chocolate sponge cake: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup buttermilk at room temperature. For the filling and topping: 1 can, 24 ounces of pitted sour cherries, drained. Reserve the cherry juice. 2 cups heavy whipping cream, chilled. 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, chocolate shavings or chocolate curls for garnish. Now, let's experience the sweetness of Germany. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line 2 9-inch round cake pans with parchment paper. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt to create the dry mixture for the chocolate sponge cake. Step 2. In a separate large bowl, whisk together the eggs and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and buttermilk, and whisk until well combined. Step 3. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and fold it gently until the batter is smooth and well incorporated. Step 4. Divide the cake batter evenly between the 2 prepared cake pans. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 5. Once the cakes are baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer the cakes to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 6. In a chilled mixing bowl, whip the heavy whipping cream with powdered sugar and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. This will be the luscious whipped cream filling and topping for the Black Forest cake. Step 7. Drain the pitted sour cherries. Reserving the cherry juice, spread a layer of whipped cream on top of one cake layer and arrange half of the drained cherries on top. Place the second cake layer on top and repeat the process with whipped cream and the remaining cherries. Step 8. Frost the entire cake with the remaining whipped cream, reserving a little for decorating. Garnish the top with chocolate shavings or curls, which add a touch of elegance to the Black Forest cake. And there you have it. Authentic German Black Forest cake. A delightful and sweet dessert that represents the authentic tastes of Germany. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey to Germany. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic German Black Forest cake. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, guten Appetit and happy baking!